Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of yet another mid-range smartphone from Vivo in India, the Vivo V9 Pro. So recently Vivo announced the new device under the V series, the Vivo V11 Pro, which we have reviewed on this channel. So now we have the Vivo V9 Pro, which is a slight upgrade over the Vivo V9, which was announced earlier this year. The pricing of the Vivo V9 Pro is also really competitive. While the MRP is 19,999, the pricing for the Amazon big sale would be 17,999. So that's pretty good pricing, and this device comes with a really good hardware as well. So in this video we'll talk about the device, we'll unbox the device, we'll also show you some camera samples taken with this device. So this is the Vivo V9 Pro, and you can see the perfect view, perfect experience, and this comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 octa-core chipset. It has the dual rear camera, 16 megapixel AI selfie camera, full view display 2.0, and this device has 6 GB RAM and 64 GB internal storage. So you can see the MRP mentioned is 19,990, but this will be available on Amazon sale for 17,990. So that's the pricing. So let's get started with unboxing. So we'll show you the box pack and also the features available, and also show some camera samples taken with this device. So let's open the box. So there you go. So opening up the box, you get this small box. So this has probably a case, so you can see there's a case included. So this has rear fingerprint mounted fingerprint scanner instead of the in-display fingerprint scanner on the Vivo V11 Pro. This has a fingerprint scanner on the back panel. So we have a SIM ejector pin, and the manual and warranty information is included. So let's you can see the SAR value of this device. So that's the India SAR value of the Vivo V9 Pro. Then you get the Vivo V9 Pro. So let's just take this out. So that's the Vivo V9 Pro. Looks really good. The glossy finish looks pretty good. There's a plastic build, but you can see the gold accents on the fingerprint scanner, the logo, as well as the camera unit. So it looks really good, and we have designed by Vivo logo here. So it looks good, and we have the power and volume keys on the right side. The left side also the SIM tray. This is having a dedicated SD card slot along with 2 nano SIM cards. The top portion does not have any openings or slots. And at the bottom section you have the micro USB charging slot, the speaker unit, and the 3.5mm audio jack. And here we have the fingerprint scanner. So let's boot this device. So this device has a notch display. Now let's see what else comes inside. So we have the standard USB cable, charging and data syncing cable. Then there is also an earphone which is included. It's pretty basic earphone, but looks quite good in terms of the build quality as well. Then we have the adapter. So let's see the voltage rating. So it's 5 volt 2 ampere. So that's a standard charging, no fast charging or a dual engine fast charging like other Vivo smartphones. So that's the basic charging included on the Vivo V9 Pro. So let's get started with the device. So that's the Vivo V9 Pro. It has a 6.3 inches full HD plus resolution display. It has the notch included, so the 19:9 aspect ratio comes here. And this is the full view display 2.0, and this is powered by the Snapdragon 660 octa-core chipset, which is one of the really powerful chipsets in this price segment. And now we are seeing a lot of devices coming out below the 20k price segment with the Snapdragon 660. On top of that, there is 6 GB RAM, which makes it even better. So the device has Android 8.1 Oreo out of the box, and you get to see all the features and UI which we have seen on other Vivo smartphones. So we have 100 UI, app clone, smart split screen, and a whole lot of features including support for themes. So that's the UI on the Vivo V9 Pro. Now talking about the cameras, so we have a dual camera setup. So we have a primary 13 megapixel camera, secondary 5 megapixel camera, LED flash, and on the front panel we have a 16 megapixel shooter for selfie camera, and this is having the AI features which we have seen on other Vivo smartphones as well. So now let's have a look at the camera UI as well. So looks pretty good. It's kind of same UI which we have seen on other Vivo smartphones. So here are some camera samples we have taken with the Vivo V9 Pro after unboxing the device. We'll also be doing the detailed camera review of this device, so stay tuned for that. And this has a pretty good camera altogether, and we'll be doing a comparison with other smartphones as well, so stay tuned for that. The Vivo V9 Pro also packs a 3260 mAh capacity battery that should be quite good enough for slightly more than a day of usage, because Vivo smartphones have had good battery life, and even the new Vivo V11 Pro had good battery life with the Snapdragon 660 chipset. So we expect the battery life to be pretty good on this device as well. So we'll talk about that later in our detailed review. So the device is available for a price of $17,990 on Amazon, Great Indian sale. So that's a pretty good pricing for a Snapdragon 660 and 6GB RAM variant, and this has this fun touch OS with Android 8.1 Oreo. So that was unboxing, hands-on the camera samples of the Vivo V9 Pro. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button for more videos. This is Namal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.